video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically generate and email a client contract from a Typeform submission using Google Docs and Gmail. We're building a simple, reliable workflow that starts the moment someone submits your Typeform, turns their answers into clean variables, fills a Google Docs contract template, exports it as a PDF, and sends it straight to the client via email. First, add the Typeform trigger node. This is what listens for new submissions and kicks everything off automatically. Click Add Node, search for Typeform trigger, connect your Typeform account, and paste in your form ID. Make sure your form is collecting the key fields you'll need in the contract, like the client's name, the project scope, the deadline, and the email address. A quick test submission is a great way to confirm the trigger is working and that all expected fields are coming through. Next, add a set node and name it set variables. This organizes the raw Typeform response into neat, reusable fields. Create variables called client_name, project_scope, deadline, and email, and map each one to the corresponding answer from the submission payload. For example, map client_name to the first text answer, project_scope to the second, deadline to the third, and email to the email answer. Keeping these names consistent is important, because you'll reference them in the contract template. If your form question order differs, adjust the mappings accordingly. This step ensures you always have clean, predictable data to merge into your document. Now, add a Google Docs node and call it Fill Contract Template. Connect your Google account, select your existing contract template, and use placeholders inside that template, such as client_name, project_scope, and deadline. When the workflow runs, these placeholders will be replaced with the variables you set earlier. Double-check that the placeholder names exactly match your variable names, including braces and underscores, to avoid blank spots in the final document. Next, add a Google Drive node called Export as PDF. Set the operation to export, choose the newly generated Google document, and select PDF as the format. This converts your filled template into a shareable, professional PDF ready for delivery. If your platform allows it, use variables in the file name so it's easy to identify later. Finally, add a Gmail node named Send via email. Set the recipient to the email variable you created earlier, use a clear subject like, your contract, and attach the PDF produced by the previous node. Include a short, friendly message in the body. Send a test to yourself first to confirm the attachment looks perfect. That's it. Once the workflow runs, your client receives their contract automatically, saving you time and preventing manual errors.